The wheels on the garbage truck go round and round all through the town. The arm on the garbage truck goes lift, 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 lift. The arm on the garbage truck goes lift, lift, lift all through the town. The workers on the garbage truck hold on tight, hold on tight, hold on tight. The workers on the garbage truck hold on tight all through the town. The hopper on the garbage truck goes squish, 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 squish. The hopper on the garbage truck goes squish, squish, squish all through the town. The big recycling truck goes sort, 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 sort. The big recycling trucks goes sort, sort, sort all through the town. The trash on the garbage truck gets dump, 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 dump. The trash on the garbage truck gets dump, dump, dump at the landfill. The wheels on the garbage truck go round and round all through the town. Look at the garbage trucks. And this has been The Wheels on the Garbage Truck by Jeffrey Burton and illustrated by Allison Brown.